Hey, good morning. It's Millennial Mom Tumblr. I'm just getting ready for work. You guys see I got the button down on. Like, I'm so serious about this real estate today. Let's go. Probably do like 3-4 open houses a week. It's my main lead generator. I like to put my signs out too for recognition. So that's what I do. Today I am getting ready with my Hot Tools Pro. I'm actually curling my hair with it. My hair was already kind of straight, like from the shower. Maybe curled up a bit, but I was like, no, I don't feel like straight hair. Like, let's use the curling iron to curl it. So that's what I'm doing. Some of the things I like to think about in the morning is what I'm grateful for. I'm a big believer in positive energy and, you know, throwing all that positive energy out there. You get all those great things you've been thinking about and you've been manifesting back to you. So I am really grateful for my apartment. Also having this peaceful environment that I'm in right now. My beautiful son, he's amazing. I couldn't ask for a better sweetheart. He's the sweetest. I love real estate. All the people that I meet, all my colleagues, everyone that I come across. It's a really awesome business. Also, my gymnastics. I mean, most of the stuff that I've been doing recently, I hadn't done since I was like 16 years old. So I'm really grateful I'm able to do all these things. Grateful for my health. I'm a very healthy person. Like, at my age, most people got stuff going on with them, and I'm the type of person that'll ask a doctor, like, can you find something wrong with me? Like, is there anything wrong with me? And they're just always like, you are perfectly healthy. Same with the dentist. Like, I can't even remember when I've had a cavity, and it's not like I eat perfectly. So I don't know, it might be genetics or something. I do get the question a lot, like, why do you look so young? I use over-the-counter stuff, so I have no idea. I mean, I have some skin cream and lotions that aren't over-the-counter, but I don't do anything special. I don't have any like fillers or Botox or anything. What I think is you gotta remove the stresses from your life. Stressing will definitely age you significantly, in my experience at least. It'll make you look like probably 10-15 years older than you are. You remove those stresses, and I know it's hard to do because we all have things that stress us out, like I do, you know, but think about all the things you can be grateful for, because your life might be better than you think. So I'm very grateful for my life, everything in it. Being my age, being so healthy and being able to be super athletic and build the muscle I build. I've always built muscle really quickly for some reason. I can gain weight, lose weight easily, so I have to watch that. But yeah, I like being able to get out there and continue my dreams. Being an adult gymnast, it's exciting getting your skills back. And it's a lot of impact on your joints. You know, you gotta have endurance too. You gotta be able to like make quick movements. And my joints like never hurt. Every now and then I'll get like a back crack and it's like, oh, wow. That's because you hadn't moved your back like that in a while, but it actually feels pretty good. So could just be like super flexible, I don't know. But I love being able to still tumble, still be able to have that impact. Doesn't hurt my back, my feet, my ankles, anything. I don't know, I hope that I am like eventually in my 60s, 70s, like doing crazy gymnastics and just be like the oldest adult gymnast. So that's my long-term goal. Let's get back to curling my hair. You guys can tell I really love gymnastics. You know, probably what I like about it so much, because, you know, like, it's kind of funny when you go do gymnastics at my age, especially, maybe it's just where I live, I don't know, but when you go to do like the adult open gym, it's just mostly a bunch of guys that are running around doing gainers, like yelling, they're all over the place. And I don't really like all the yelling and whatnot, but when I'm doing gymnastics, you kind of want those hype people, you know, like people like, yeah, you know, they don't even know you, but they're like clapping for you and they're cheering you on. There's so much testosterone flying around, but for me, I love that. Like, I love having my hype people, you know, I don't even have to tell them I'm doing something. They just see that I've done something new and they're like, yes, and it's the best. So if I like any yelling, which I don't like mean yelling, like I like good yelling, like cheering on yelling, like, yeah, girl, damn right, you did that, good job, you stuck that, you landed that, you know, loud hand claps, like that's when it's appropriate, you know. So yes, the loud music, it's actually good for gymnastics because it really gets your adrenaline going and you're like, yeah, you know, this song is awesome, like I can do this, and it gets you like really motivated. So if I do like the loud music and the loud yelling, it is only for gymnastics because it just helps. And we're all in there late at night, so keeping each other awake here, you know, sometimes it's like up to 11 o'clock at night and we're all like flipping around. It's just crazy, but it's fun. So I love doing it. We still got some hair to do. You can tell I'm like really into what I'm talking about today. Kind of funny. I don't even need to do, you know, any crazy curls here. I might even just take this whole bottom piece and curl it up. Curl it up, guys. I don't know, maybe I should use my flat iron more to curl my hair. But this flat iron is good. Just don't accidentally touch on your finger or your head or anything, man. Like you'll have like a scab on your head for like a week. Thing's crazy. Okay, I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Loving it. Where is it still straight? Let me see. Down here. Grab this piece. So I'm kind of excited about Halloween. I love dressing up. I think I start doing funny things like cosplay. Just putting on random outfits. Like when I put all my old leotards on from the late 90s, early 2000s, I was feeling, I think, festive because Halloween is coming up, you know, but it's fun. I think there's some Comic-Cons going on right now, conventions. I'm seeing a lot of cosplay and it's getting me excited to go to one of those conventions next year. You guys, like, this is pretty nice. This is turning out better than I thought, and I think I'm just gonna keep going with it because I'm really digging the way it's curling my hair. What? I love my Conair Infinity Pro. I just did a video on that, but yeah, this is really good. I don't remember the last time I done curls like this. I'm just kind of spontaneous like that. I'll be like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair today, but that's what I'm doing. Just got a text. Get rid of this. So yeah, let me know what you guys are gonna be for Halloween. I hope you send me some pictures. I love seeing other people's costumes. I don't care if it's terrifying, if it's silly. I just love dressing up. I think it's so fun. Really, I think what it is just being able to express yourself. So, I don't know, that's just how I am. I could put on costumes all night and entertain myself with silly voices, dances, and yeah, I love it. But if you ever want somebody to model your costumes, you got a girl that loves costumes right here. So send them over because I will cosplay, model any of your costumes for you. So let me know. I'm not really sure what I'm gonna be for Halloween yet, but I'm probably gonna put it together same day. That's just how I work. Like my brain just goes into overdrive and it's like looking for solutions. It'll start thinking about where I have certain pieces of clothing, because I'm just definitely gonna put something together this year. I like to be, you know, original. It's a little more fun for me if I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know I'm gonna do something really good, and it usually turns out pretty well. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, so let's see what we got. You guys, like, this is beautiful. I love it. I love this, you guys. Let's brush it out a little bit. See if it still looks good. Okay, I like this because, you know, like these hot tools will shrink your hair a bit when you're curling it up. It makes your hair look real short, but this one's pretty good. It's like looser curls than you saw yesterday. And this will fall a little bit more. Yeah. I'm gonna do the back some. But thanks for getting ready with me. And I hope you guys have a great day. Enjoy your day. Keep a lookout for some Nike tights, shorts. I will post videos or pictures in. And some gymnastics because I'm overdue for it. And I'm ready to go stomp on that spring floor and trampoline. So you guys better watch me because your girl in her 30s is tearing it up in the gym. See you guys later. Bye.